Okay, welcome to part 2 of the Hot Wheels Monster Truck Originals Double Demolition Doubles featuring Donkey Kong and everyone's favorite, the supervillain in Nintendo games, the Bowser with the sharp claws and beige horns and the fire hair and turtle shell. And also, just like in Donkey Kong Jr. Arcade Retro Childhood, includes with its eye, only on Donkey Kong's character body, brown eyes, and also human and monkey ears. Okay, dokie. Let's unbox Donkey Kong and Bowser out of the package right now. Give me a minute here. Alright, just like we did this a year ago back in June, we are going to dump them out of its package. Alright, here it is. The brand new, or I'm sorry, this was not brand new. This is, well, it's still brand new. It's made in last year. So here he is, Donkey Kong. As you could say, there is no name logo on the side of the doors. Here's the barrel. When you play as Mario and jumping over them, climbing on ladders, and to save Princess Peach. There's his rims, and that is red. Very good, except there's they did not attach eyeballs. Now we're gonna take this Donkey Kong Hot Wheels Originals truck, and then we are gonna take the 2010 Mattel Hot Wheels truck to compare the differences. There is no tie, and this is definitely not as good as the old one. The old one is very similar to the one on the package, and his face and his chin and his nostrils are definitely the same like the 2010 Donkey Kong. And if we turn around sideways, there is no I think there's no band. It's a red thing that attaches to its back, and there, like I say, it's different compared to new and the old. There's no red strap on the new one, and there is a strap on the old one. Okay, turn around for Donkey Kong. Donkey Kong on the tailgate, and barrel, and the headlights, or the not, yeah, I mean the backlights, and oh, it says DK on in a small circle. Let me put it up close so you can see it. There you go. So there you have it. That is the brand new Hot Wheels Originals Donkey Kong. And now, the ultimate popular Mario villain, and that is Bowser. Gotta like the eyebrows. That look really, really mean and challenging. He's got mustard rims, mustard yellow rims, spiky turtle shell, and also snapping turtle's tail. As you can see, there's Hot Wheels. I don't think you can see it up close. There you go. I think you can. Hot Wheels and monster trucks on the side doors, and more spikes on downside. All right, now I'm gonna compare it. I'm sorry, I'm not gonna compare it. I'm gonna take one of my two favorite Super Mario Hot Wheels monster trucks to be my second favorite, and my favorite villain, which is actually not a villain. He's more of a hero. To protect his kid Bowser Jr. He ends up getting killed because the Nintendo game animators and designers wanted Mario and Luigi to become the most popular characters, to be the heroes, and the popular villains to be the popular villains, for any video game player to use as Mario to kill Bowser for fun on your video game consoles. Either it's Nintendo GameCube, Nintendo Wii, Game Boy, and Nintendo Switch. All right, and my second pick is going to be Donkey Kong, because Donkey Kong was used to be a villain, but now he's turned into a hero for rescuing the princess. But Mario ends up killing Donkey Kong with the barrels, and ends up rescuing Princess Peach. And same thing with Bowser, being his Donkey Kong's replacement in the 90s years of Donkey Kong. And he ends up getting killed the same exact thing as Donkey Kong, and using Luigi to kill his son Junior, and also his father himself. But they get created by Nintendo owner. So there you have it for Donkey Kong and Bowser monster trucks from Hot Wheels and Mattel. And I will be checking on for more Hot Wheels monster truck unboxing videos in the future. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and give it a like for more uploads on my channel. Peace.